Hi guys. Okay, Father's Day is just around the corner. So I'm doing one of my favorite little, this is my favorite of all the new stuff we're doing this year for dads. We're gonna do this really cute full-on gift. But we're gonna do, it's gonna include some chocolate Nutter Butters. So anybody that knows these knows these are our little icing sheets. They look like this. They're shiny on the back. You don't have to take anything else off. It's edible. See, I'm eating it as we speak. Okay. It's like fruit by the foot, but with no nutritional value whatsoever. So perfect for dad. This is our Merkins milk chocolate coating. I'm gonna throw this with my little bag ties. They come in chameleon now. I'll put them there. Wait till you see it. Anyway, I'm throw this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And while we do that, I'm gonna just peel these off and put them in the bottom here. So I'm gonna throw those in there. I've had some people ask about what to do if the chocolate gets under. It'll happen. It happens, and I just scrape it off, and so it'll probably happen here, and then you'll be able to see what I do to fix it. Otherwise, if you're like super worried that it's gonna be a problem, you can always just attach these with edible glue after the fact. But I just, anytime I can get rid of a step, I'm gonna do it. So I'm just putting these face down. Isn't that cute? Look at nuts for dad, get it? Okay, I'm gonna put these face down in here, and I'm gonna push them down a little bit, because we're gonna use milk chocolate, and that's more visible today. I'm gonna take this out. This is what it looks like after 30 seconds. So it's still whole pieces and some melted, and I'm just gonna give it a little rub down. And then we're gonna throw it in for another 30. And the key with this is we do not want to overheat it. If you overheat it, it gets weird. Just like me. So we'll try another 30 seconds. These, the ones that you're not using immediately, especially if you're in a dry climate, throw them back in the bag. They will get dried out. So, put these back. I'm gonna zip. And I'm gonna check my chocolate here. It's been 20 seconds, so I'm gonna check it. So there we go. Another 20 seconds, and it's even warmer than I want it to be. So literally it should take you about 40 seconds in the microwave. And this is a little hot, so I'm not happy with myself, but we'll see what happens. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snip the tip of this. We're gonna fill these from the middle, about halfway. You can do these if you have, you can put anything you want in here, really. Anything that fits, like mint Milanos fit. What else? Ooh, Toll House Flips, half pretzel, half cracker, they fit. Oh my God, they're delicious, so salty. But I like to do Nutter Butters for this because of the little nuts for dad situation that we got going there. So let me push this down. A little mini tap to get most of it going, and then we just put a little more in the back. You've seen me do this a million times. It is, push that down again. Get in there. And cover the back. I'm gonna throw these in the freezer because I am impatient. You can put them in the fridge. Or you can put them in the freezer. And if you're like me, you're impatient, and they go in the freezer. Okay, in they go. I'll be back. Okay. All right, so while those are setting up, I'm going to make a gift box for them. These these are on our site. They are macaroon boxes. They hold French Macs beautifully, but I was thinking this would be a really cute way to package these for dads too. So now you get to watch me struggle assembling a box. This will be fun. These are neat. They're not, they make great gift boxes for any sweets that fit in them. And macaroons are what they were made for, but they fit chocolate covered Nutter Butters really well with just enough little space to add a few little personal touches. So, okay, so all I'm doing right now is I'm just creasing all the lines so that it's ready to fold up for me. I've had some people say that these are impossible, and I was like, oh, it's not hard. So now you'll see me struggle. It'll be great. So what I'm gonna do is, this is gonna get bent this way, and these come in and hook like nya. You following, guys? Okay. So that's what's gonna hold it together for us. And then we put this, both these, and then this bad boy is gonna come and hold everything together. I think I did that right. Okay. Oh, cute. That's kind of cute. Okay. So again, I hooked these two middle ones together like that. You see that? And then I fold this and this, and then you just brute force this sucker in here. Oh, that's a pretty handy little box there, guys. Cute. The reason I'm choosing a deeper one, you'll see. I haven't tried this yet. As you can tell, I'm just making the box now. Go in. But I was thinking it would be kind of cute to have some other peanutty goodness in here for Dad. So I've got a couple of fun things. Peanuts in the shell. And I think I have some Reese's Pieces back here in my cupboard. Because doesn't everybody have Reese's Pieces lying around? So we're gonna go full on nuts for Dad. Let me get my scissors. Don't you love how everything in here is like completely organized and rehearsed? Okay, I literally sent Captain Leisure to the grocery store. I was like, get me peanuts. Which he did, because he's the best husband in the whole wide world. So I'm just gonna pick out some of the good ones here. And we're just gonna pop these in the bottom. So this is like, you know, beer snacks, which is kind of fun. And it's also gonna lift up the level. Now this is bringing back all sorts of college memories. Ooh. Some fuzzy ones. So I'm gonna throw that in there. That's ugly. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little peanut. You're a little ugly. You're gonna get me. Okay, I'm gonna try this. See if this is the right amount to hold those up. And then we gotta do some Reese's Pieces. So, ET food. Really? All right. So we'll dump some of these in. It's very masculine, groovy looking, you know? It's kind of manly, right? Sort of, kind of. Okay, let's see if my, I think these things are ready to come out. Are you coming out yet, little guys? Okay, so this is the test, right? I've had them in the freezer while I was doing that. And they look pretty good, but if you flip them out and they don't leap out, put them back in the freezer. It means they're not ready yet. It means they need a little snooze. But these worked. Oh my God, these are so cute. I can't hardly stand it. Love, love. Okay. And you know what? This one turned out crooked, which I like even better because it's like a little wonky. So anyway, so for this packaging, I'm gonna do, it's deep enough that you could do 4 in here if you wanted. If you didn't put the nuts and things in there, but I think it's cuter to have this. And then I'm gonna see if, and then we'll just like fill in the rest with Reese's Pieces. Okay. Maybe a couple skinny peanuts, maybe. I don't know. Are they gonna fit? I can do like a half shell just for like looks, right? I can put one right in the middle here too. Mega cute. Okay. That's pretty cute, kids. Oh, look at a baby peanut. There, a dad and a baby peanut. You know, because why not? Let's put this one over here. Okay. Okay. That should just about do it. Get in there. Get in there. That's where you live. Okay. Kind of cute, right? Sort of. Wonky. Good. Okay. And then this goes over here. Okay, that's pretty cute. So there we go. I think it needs a few more Reese's Pieces. Yeah, we can fill this sucker up now if we want. We fit everything in that we need. Okay, and that'll be cuter to see. That'll be cuter for Dad to see. Okay. And that one goes to me. All right. There we go. Happy Father's Day for all of you out there. Pretty cute.